What's up, family? It's Misty, and welcome back to Gardening with Green. Today, I'm going to be harvesting some sweet corn out of my garden. I noticed a couple of the ears. The silks are turning brown, and some of them are ready to harvest here up front. I have a couple here in the back that are not quite ready. The silks are still really green. The ears are not quite developed yet, so they have a few more weeks left. But up here in the front, I have several ears of corn that are ready. The silks are really brown and dry. A couple of the kernels have the milky white juice coming out, so they are ready to go. I am going to harvest this one right here first. This is my first year growing corn and harvesting corn, so I am very excited to see how it tastes. I grew these babies from seeds, so it's quite exciting. Looks like to be about 7 or 8 inches long. I have a couple more to harvest, and I'll let you guys know how that turns out. Please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and leave me a comment if you like the content. Thanks for tuning into my channel, and you guys have a great day.